latch. Second latch on the opposite side. Cover flips open. Oil is dipstick. Okay, start. So you're off, on, choke. Throttle up. Throttle down. Back up training gauge. Back off. Throttle down.
So just down, so you can see it up and down or on there. So
It's roughly 3 clicks to max.
yeah, so I just went up to
And then just hit the clutch on, it starts spinning, spreading. Select your 4 low. 4 low in the dash will start flashing. When it turns solid, you're in 4 low. You can put the drive, continue on. Take out at 4 low, same thing, come to stop, neutral, shift out, it will flash. When it stops flashing, you're back into either 4 high or 2 low drive. You got idle and 3 adjustments basically. But to be honest, when Chris and I went out, that's all we ever spread at. You don't need anything. Watch yourself. You watch how fast the car, that's gonna go. Yeah.
and that's just on one.
Then you want. Yeah, look how far it's going. Yeah. That's too slow. Right there's about right. And the other thing I didn't explain was the handle. Because the handle,
That closes and opens the chute.
the further down you go, the more material. The further up you go, the less material. I had it set to last quick.
So again, less, more spread. You pull the pin.
Pull the pin, slide the arm forward. As you bring these arms up on the
Okay.
holes,
Yeah.
it spreads further. As you bring them down,
Yeah,
it spreads to as far as the drop point.
yeah. And generally, you have to
I
set.
had it set right there.
Yeah.
Return the lock pin. Same thing with the back. Pull the pin. We go from all the way down to all the way straight back.
So if you're in a parking lot with lots of cars,
Well,
you
I
put her down.
the where I have it set right now, it just blocks the spinners. You're not storing straight out. So that's the widest band we have. That you're not going to throw material straight and hit a vehicle. So we have deflection. You open one more slot, you have no more deflection. You turn the speed up, and you will be flinging as far as the gravel can go with no slowdown.